Good morning, dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. We can do today exercise of the chapter number 5, the Great Indian Desert. Open your book and start to do the work from this slide. Okay. Today we will do the exercise from the book, and this work you have to do in your book only. Okay. Fill in the blanks first. A flat area with sandy soil and very little rain and vegetation is called a desert. I wrote the answers on left side, you can see. Second one, sand. Then after gap is there. In the gap you will put dunes. Sand dunes are small hills of the sand that keep shifting in the wind. Okay. Third one, a green area with water in the middle of of a desert is called as an oasis. Number 4, people who do not settle down at one place and move their home from place to place are called nomads. And number 5th, the most useful animal for the people of the third desert is the camel. Sixth one, the desert festival is held at Jaisalmer every year and is a great tourist attraction. Okay, in the section B, write the T for the true statements and F for the false statements. Okay, number 1, you can read from your book because on the slide picture is not clear, it is very blur. You read. I write the correct answer on left side with the green color. Okay, now I am reading. First, the Aravalli range of hills is to the south of the Thar desert. It is false. Southeast. Next, sand heats up quickly in the day and cools quickly at night. It is true sentence. Number 3, sand dunes shift because of soil erosion by water. It is false. By wind only. Okay. Number 4, in an oasis, underground water is brought out by digging wells. No, it will be false. It comes itself. Now, fifth one, camel milk is popular among the people of Rajasthan. Yes, correct, true. So it will be true. Number 6, the people of Rajasthan earn a lot of money from tourism. Yes, it is true. On this slide, picture from your book I took, and it is multiple choice question, means you have to do put the tick on the correct option only. Okay, which of these is to the south of the Thar desert? The answer will be the D, Run of Kutch. Number 2, which of these best describes the climate in the Thar desert? The answer will be the C, but here is the some correction. In the C option I show with the red color bold letter. Okay, this will be the correct answer, and just you have to write with the pencil cold only, then it will be correct. Answer number C, means correct answer will be the C. Put the tick on C. Come to the number third, which of these crops cannot be normally grown in Rajasthan? The rice, because scarcity of water in the desert. Number 4, which of these is called the ship of the desert? You know, camel. D will be the correct answer. Fifth, which of these best describes Banjaras? Banjaras are the nomadic people who are living in the Thar desert. Okay, so and the correct answer will be B. They do not settle down at one place. Okay, in this way our this chapter completed. Question answer remaining we will do in next period. Thank you. Have a nice day.